Hi, and happy Monday, April 6th. Room 310 and 331, it's Ms. Redden here. I'm very happy to be greeting you with this morning message. Ms. Valentine and I are super impressed with all of your hard work, and we wanted to say congratulations because we finished 2 whole weeks of remote learning. While we're sad we can't do our Zoom and Hangouts anymore for this week, please know Ms. Valentine and I are working hard to figure out what next steps we can take to have video conferencing again. For today, we wanted to do a recorded morning message. And the question we were going to ask was, what did you do over the weekend? So I'll answer that question here, and then you can comment on this video in the stream, and you can tell us what you did this weekend. This weekend, I spent a lot of time with family. My mom and my brother and I went on lots of walks down by the beach where we live, and my mom and I also watched the movie Annie, which was really good, and I hadn't seen it in a long time. What did you do this weekend? In addition to having a quick morning message, I wanted to run through the flow of the day to help everyone understand exactly what we're going to be doing today. Now, the first thing is reading, as always. You should be spending about a half hour on reading each day, 20 minutes for your independent reading, and about 10 minutes of partner reading. For your 20 minutes of independent reading today, we're challenging you to pick a nonfiction book and then teach a family member all about that topic. If you don't have a nonfiction book at home, that's okay. You can log on to RazKids or Epic and pick a nonfiction book there. After reading for 20 minutes with your nonfiction book and teaching your partner, you're going to do 10 minutes of partner reading. When you're partner reading, you're going to be focusing on finding bossy E words for our phonics lesson today. Bossy E words make the vowels say their name, and there are 2 videos in the Flow of the Day PowerPoint. After you find bossy E words, we're asking that you just pick one example of a bossy E word and add it onto our assignment for bossy E words and phonics for today. After phonics, you're going to be moving on to math. We know that sometimes the math can be rather long with Envisions, and we're continuing to work on making sure that that gets smoothed out with the help of Envisions. Today for math, we are going to be completing an exemplar worksheet story problem. In the flow of the day, we included answers to important questions, steps, as well as an example of what an exemplar story problem should look like. You're going to be picking the clown's exemplar story problem on today to solve. We can't wait to see all of your mathematician thinking. After math, you're going to be working on writing. Writing should be about 20 minutes today, definitely not longer. It's a revision day. Today, you're going to be watching a video about conclusions and then going back and editing one of your conclusions. If you've only written one story, this might be a good time to start planning out and thinking of another story and then adding that conclusion first. We also included examples of sentence starters in English and Spanish to help with your conclusion ideas. After writing, you're going to be jumping into reviewing the information about Las Aves. Tomorrow, we'll post a quiz where you can review and show what you know about the vocabulary words for the birds. We can't wait to see all of your hard work today, and we'll be around to answer questions via email or Parent Square. Each day, we're going to try and post a morning message like this just to say hello and good morning and to let you know we miss you all and hope you and your families are doing well. Thank you.